This is Halswell House, deep in the heart of the Somerset countryside. This Grade 1 listed building is going through one of the biggest restorations in its history, and we have been given exclusive access to show you exactly what's going on behind the scenes. Hello. Later we'll be having a closer look at Millwood. But before that, after the beautiful weather that we had in April, May has been very much a disappointment. However, there is one area of the restoration which has really benefited from the poor weather. So let's have a look at what's happened this month. For the newly laid grass in the knot garden, May's sunshine and showers has meant the perfect growing conditions. Whilst in the Tudor house the finishing touches have been made and we're ready for our first guests. And the work continues to remove the render on the west wall of the Baroque wing to expose the stonework underneath. Much more on that as the series continues. Whilst most of the estate is closed to the general public, during the summer months on Sundays for 3 hours in the afternoon, Millwood is open for you to come and enjoy. So we thought this month we would take the opportunity to show you exactly what's here. In the mid-1700s, Sir Charles Tint had this whole area landscaped, and it became one of the highlights of Halswell Park. Sir Charles transformed this whole area using an ancient waterway that ran through here. He created lakes and waterfalls, as well as planting all of the trees and of course the follies. If you've already watched episode 1 of Halswell House Uncovered, you will already have seen this. This bridge was a complete ruin. All of the balustrades that you see here had collapsed and fallen into the lake, and behind me the fascia was covered in brambles and weeds. Some attempts had been made to repair this area, not all of them that successful. But when the current owner took over, one of the first things he did was have this completely restored. And when Sir Charles was creating this amazing garden, the one thing that he wanted was a centrepiece. He certainly got one, the Temple of Harmony. A truly staggering place. So that's it for this month. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time on Halswell House Uncovered.